Welcome to Jacob and Dad channel. This is Jacob's dad. Hopefully you're doing well. Take it easy. Thank you for visiting. If this is the first time for you to visit, smash that button, subscribe, and give us a like. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. Mwah. We love you. Continue watching our videos, liking and sharing. Alright, join me here. It's a beautiful Friday. So hopefully you're having a good Friday and you're gonna have a wonderful weekend. I just dropped off my kid here at school. Now I'm gonna drive back home. Join me on this short drive. Once again, it's Friday, and whether you have weekend plans or not, just want to wish you a good Friday and also have a wonderful weekend. I think everyone agrees that it's always nice to hear a stranger saying good morning or have a good day and all that. As you can see, trees have no leaves because it's winter. It's not as green as in summer. So this is not a long drive home from school. You can see the trees look beautiful because leaves change color before they fall off, which means they die. This is St. Paul, Minnesota, in case you're wondering. You can see road construction going on, the orange cones. Over there, that's a University of Minnesota. You can see the Gopher sign over there. I see people in the farm over there. I'm not sure what they're doing. Person riding a bike with a big dog, not on a leash. It's supposed to be on a leash. It's too big. It's gonna scare people. speed limit there. Summer, we come over at that neighborhood family ice cream shop. Gets very busy. They have good ice cream. I'm not advertising for them, but I like it. Alright, thank you so much for joining me here on this short drive from my kids' school to home. Should be home in a minute here. Again, have a wonderful day, night, whatever time you're watching. If you're watching in the morning, have a wonderful day. It's Friday. Take care of yourself, take care of those you love, and spread love, not hate. If you spread love, good things will happen to you. Also have a positive attitude about life and positive energy. That's how you make more friends, and that's how you live a good life, when you have a positive outlook about everything. Sometimes life can be distressing or depressing, but just stay positive. I'm sure you're gonna find something to be thankful for, instead of concentrating on negativity, which will make you miserable. Alright, take it easy. Peace out.